Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we'll be doing a video walkthrough on this brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This boat just got pulled into our Clearwater showroom, so we'll take a little tour and show you around. Starting off, it is powered by twin 350 Mercury Verado motors with joystick piloting. And we can see the transom boarding ladder. So we'll step aboard and take a look. So first off, we'll notice the rod holders across the transom, very large blue gel coated LED lit live well. And we'll take a look around the expansive cockpit. We have fish boxes on the port and starboard side. Very easy access to all our systems under the lazarette hatch. Over in the port side, you're going to see the dive door, and note the quality and sturdiness of the hardware. Integrated handhold. Of course, JL audio speakers all about. Here we have the rear seating option, and underneath this seat we actually have a second live well that closes to keep all the water in, and the backrest actually converts to a table, and we have a cutting board that you can put on top to for a little bait prep. Looking up the port side gunnel, you'll notice the fold-out trolling seats. Of course, this boat is fully equipped with outriggers, GPS, full electronics, Raymarine electronics suite. Moving up to the helm, first we'll note the dual Raymarine hybrid touch displays, Mercury Vessel View 7, that is a backup chart plotter as well. Joystick piloting, which makes ease of docking situations. Also integrated autopilot and skyhook to keep you in place if you need to hang lines and fenders or prospect a couple spots while bottom fishing. Just hit the button, it'll hold you in place. Very comfortable seating, 3 wide with flip up bolsters. Moving forward, notice the easy access to the expansive head, vacuum flush toilet, very nice storage on the side and forward in the cabinet. Gives you storage with still making ease of access to the space. We're going to move on forward, very easy access all the way forward up to the boat, to the bow of the boat. Notice one nice feature, Boston Whaler kind of bumps out the bulwarks here to improve the seating, and you maintain fishability all the way forward. More JL audio speakers, a couple of cup holders. Do have a stainless anchor, electric windlass with handheld remote. See, the Whalers are beautifully finished, as nice on the inside as they are on the outside. And finishing up, which probably is the standout feature in this class of boat, we have the forward-facing lounger. So very comfortable seating, but this space actually doubles as a storage garage. So if you take a trip to the Keys, you're staying on board the boat, you can lock up all your rods. You don't have to haul them up into the hotel room soaking wet after you washed them off. But thanks for joining us today. If you'd like to see this boat or any others of our in-stock inventory in our Clearwater showroom, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come on down, or set up a sea trial and get on the water today.